Creating learning plans. Learning plans allow you to bundle courses together in a package so that users can purchase them as a group or simply go through courses as a series. Before you create a learning plan, you need to have a title for your learning plan and a list of all the courses that you want to include in it. For the purposes of this video, the learning plan we're going to create is called OSHA Courses, and the courses that we're going to include are listed here. All of the courses that you are going to add must have already been imported into the system and inserted into the showroom. To access the Learning Plan menu, log in as an administrator, open the Control Panel, and go to the Advanced Learning menu. You'll click on Learning Plans. From the Learning Plans screen, you can search for existing learning plans, but what we're going to do is create a brand new one. To do this, click on the Add Learning Plan button. The first tab is the Details tab. We'll make sure that we've selected a standard learning plan, and we'll add the title OSHA Courses. We'll also add a short description, which will be Safety Courses for Construction Workers. The system won't allow you to go to another tab unless you save the learning plan at this point. So we save it now, and then we can go to the Mappings tab. The Mappings tab is where you add courses and any applicable certificates to the learning plan. You do this via the Add Delete Items button. Once you're there, you select Courses, and then click Map to Learning Plan. I already know that our courses were created with the AICC importer, so we're going to search with that radio button selected. Leave the default of Beginning With selected as well, and then we'll search for the first title. Notice that we don't have to search for the whole entire title, just part of it. The title comes up, we can check the checkbox for it, hit Return Selected, and we've mapped one course to the learning plan. If we want to add more courses, which we do want to do, we'll click on Map to Learning Plan again. And I could repeat the same steps that I just went through 3 more times, but instead let's take advantage of how the system works and just search by OSHA. When we do that, we get all of the OSHA courses, and then we can select the ones we want. You'll see that OSHA Asbestos Hazard Awareness, the first course we wanted, is already checked off because we've already selected it. So that means we just have to select the remaining 3. Those are OSHA Back Safety and Injury Prevention, OSHA Chlorine Safety, and OSHA Electrical Safety. Now that we've selected those, we can hit Return Selected. And now all 4 courses are mapped to the learning plan. That covers our courses, but many times users need some sort of verification that they've completed a learning plan. To take care of that, we'll add a certificate. We do that by selecting Certificates instead of Courses, clicking Map to Learning Plan, and then selecting Branded Certificate, which is our choice for the certificate. It's right at the top here, and hitting Return Selected. Now we can return to the learning plan, and we'll see that we've assigned all 4 courses and the branded certificate to the learning plan. The last thing that we need to take care of is custom order sequencing. If this checkbox called Enforce Sequencing is checked on, then the user has to go through the courses in a specific order. If it's unchecked, then the user has the option of going through the courses in any order that they want. For this example, we want the user to have to go through the courses in a specific order. So we're going to turn that on, and we're going to choose Custom Order. That opens up a menu that allows us to put the courses in the order that we select. So we're going to do reverse alphabetical order for this. We'll click Save. At this point, the learning plan is complete. There are other options that we could take care of if we wanted to, but none of them are absolutely essential. Those are all handled in these 3 tabs Options clearly speaks for itself. You can assign due dates and other things like that. Messages is barely ever used, and users allows us to assign groups and users directly to the learning plan. The learning plan is now complete, and now you have a bundled product that enables your users to take a series of courses and receive a certificate at the end.